Good morning, welcome to the show. Welcome back, 6th of January, and let's see what we can do for 2025. So we're in a trade already. We'll cover the Forex later on in the show, but we had a good evening with Forex on gold. And yeah, we're trading futures this morning, and we're in a trade. I just want to quickly go through why I've taken this trade. Probably jumped into it a little bit prematurely, but we can see here we were testing the Asian low. We got the price opening below the Asian low VWAP level. Also, we had a break of structure here. So yeah, I've taken the sell. Really, I should have taken this sell once we got a confirmation below the Asian low. So yeah, a little bit premature in the trade, but yeah, we're around the entry price at the moment. So hopefully we can get this into a take profit. It'll be a good start to the week. And for this morning, I'm hoping Mandela will join us, like to cover some of the news and cover some of the charts and just see what everyone's been up to over Christmas. So any comments, anything you want to know, please drop them into the chat. I'll do my best to answer them, and if not, I'll get back to you. And if you want to reach out to me directly, best place is Twitter, so at AndrewWill911. So okay, so we're in the trade here, and yeah, we're just gonna have to wait for the price. So I've marked in the Asian high, Asian low. You can see here I've marked in the Asian high VWAP, Asian low VWAP, and we started to test the Asian low, and we had the price actually break structure here. We actually tested the Asian low, and we're actually starting to break below it. So yeah, let's see if we can get a push down into our TP. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, just over 2 minutes to go. Let's see if we can get this price holding down. Yeah, we're starting to get the push now. And yeah, we're breaking out through that Asian low. And yeah, we're looking quite favorable at the moment. We can see from M5 to H4, we're actually in a downward trend. So the trend's your friend. So yeah, this trade's looking pretty favorable. So yeah, let's see if we can get into a TP. And then what we'll do after the news and chat and charts, we'll quickly discuss Forex. So I have a slightly different strategy on Forex. Probably spent about the best part of 10 years getting used to MT4 and MT5. So I've got a good understanding of those platforms. And we do have like an automated strategy for the Asian session. So I think that knocked out, yeah, 3 winners and 1 loss overnight. So it was nice to wake up to that this morning. And yeah, we can see now we're testing this Asian low. And normally the more times you test it, or the more chance we've got of breaking through it. So yeah, hopefully we can get that push or an open below that range. So yeah, I got the prices, yes, moving pretty slowly, but yeah, we seem to be holding below that Asian lows. Hopefully we can get an open below that and get a push down. So yeah, just looking at the charts from M5 up to H4, we got the downward trend. So yeah, pretty confident with this trade. Once we get around to about 75%, we get that stop loss into break even if we can get that push down. Yeah, okay, we seem to just opened on that level here. Let's see if we can sustain that and stay in this trade. What we will be looking to do potentially is setting up for a long position, probably in about, let's say, about an hour. We could be looking at going long on gold as well. So first of all, let this trade play out. Let's see what we can get to. And yeah, welcome back. So we'll be back every day now at 6:30 till 7. And hopefully we can catch some trades live here on YouTube. So any questions, drop them into the chat and we'll do our best to get back to you. And yeah, today's show is brought to you by TradeZella.com, thefivers.com and STSForex.com. So yeah, thanks to those guys sponsoring the show. And really, you got your all-in-one shop there. So if you want to trade Forex, you can go to thefivers.com, come on to your performance with TradeZella.com, and Kenneth over at STSForex.com. He's got a load of trading strategies, helpful indicators that can help you be a profitable trader. So yeah, check those guys out. Let them know that we sent you. And if you are interested in anything, they will give you a discount, quote in SFX. Good afternoon. Happy New Year.
Good morning, Andrew. How are you doing this morning?
Yeah, I'm all right. Just,
my gosh.
Yeah, back to it after a break, right? So bit of a shock to the system this morning. But yeah, we're into a trade this morning. Probably jumped in a little bit too prematurely. Like I see, he's testing the Asian low. So we created the Asian low here. Put in our VWAP level. We've broke below that. Tested the Asian low. Tested again, and yeah, we're hovering around that level at the moment. Seems to be acting as strong support, but I'm hoping is we can just get a push down to take profit of 30 ticks. So that's what's going on this morning. I'll go over the Forex later on. So I did mention earlier, spent many years with MT4, so got a really good understanding. So have a nice little automated strategy for the Asian session, and that knocked out 3 winners and 1 loss. So yeah, it's quite nice making some money while I sleep. So yeah, we can cover that later. And yeah, what's new with you?
Just a new year, new goals, new just getting used to the weather out here as well. I'm still half asleep right now. Just I ran out of tea.
Hint.
No, I'm not hinting at anything. So just getting back in the swing of things, I guess, is what I would call it. But no, it was a very nice holiday, very nice time to enjoy with family, and now we're right back at it. So
yes,
I see you've been busy as well.
Yeah, so yeah, be busy like with the Forex, trying to set that up. So a couple of losses on the fivers at first, but we're going back in the right direction now. I've got everything set up properly, so I've done that over the weekend. So I'm happy with the setup. So yeah, that's going well. Futures, let's go. So we're in a futures trade at the moment, and yeah, we seem to be stuck around that entry price. So yeah, we'll see how this trade plays out. But it's good to have you back, and it'll be good to go through some of the charts and some of the news. So what do you want to cover first?
Let's try and start. Let's start with the news, I think. Okay. Does that mean you entered a trade?
Yeah, no, it's telling me to, but let's have a quick look. Yeah, I don't believe that. Okay, over to you.
Okay, I know what that sound means. Okay, so just very quickly here, we posted this in the community last night. So we're looking at the major news for this week. So we have ISM manufacturing, which is a form of inflation, coming out on Tuesday. These times are going to be Eastern time in New York. But Tuesday we got two pieces of news. This is going to be after the open, so 30 minutes after the markets open. Wednesday we have crude oil data. And we have an auction for 10-year bonds and FOMC minutes. The big holiday this week is going to be Thursday. U.S. stock markets are going to be closed to observe Jimmy Carter, the former U.S. president, passing. So I think Joe Biden wanted to have that done before Trump's inauguration. So Thursday will be quite quiet. We'll still have some data, but there will be no U.S. stocks traded on Thursday. And then Friday, we have the very popular non-farm payrolls, which is employment data out of the U.S. That's 1 hour before markets open, and also get unemployment rate at the same time.
So it's a week back to get back into trading, right?
Yes, yeah. They put everything in all in 1 week. So it should be fun. Should be a fun week coming up.
Let's have a quick look at Bitcoin now. I haven't been following no crypto.
Yeah, yeah. It's starting to move slowly higher again. Let's see here. Page. Okay, here we go. So we got a bit of a dip going into the holiday season, and now we're starting to come back off of that towards that 100,000 price level. So I guess if we come back down here, looks like this would have been end of December. This would have been New Year's Day here, and ever since then we've kind of traveled a bit higher. So I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, it's first time I looked at it since we done the show. So
okay, fair enough.
Yeah, it'd be interesting to see if it can break that 99.8 level or 99.860. Yeah, we had some strong resistance level there. I think if we break through that, we could see a push higher. Yeah,
I think you're right. I do think there's still some room to go higher. I don't know. I don't see any real reason for us to kind of pull back dramatically. So yeah, it's one of those things where until it actually does start to trend lower, I think this is going to continue to run, Andrew. I don't know.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's looking good for the crypto this year.
Yeah, it's a good one.
What about crypto? How's XRP doing?
I'm gonna go and see, because I haven't actually looked at XRP for a while now. I know it was down. There we go. Take that out. So we peaked out. Yeah, not too bad actually.
Yeah, pretty similar to the Bitcoin, right?
Yeah, very similar.
Yeah. Okay,
very similar.
It's looking. I don't know, potentially. Well, I don't know. It is in a downward trend, but yeah,
maybe something like that.
Yeah, it needs to be looking to break through that level, right?
Yeah, I think that's what comes to mind first to me. Maybe something like that.
Yeah, so we need to break out through that level. So yeah, that'll be good resistance there if we can get that.
Yeah, I did speak to PJ ever so briefly yesterday. So I know these shows are very early in the morning for PJ to join, but we will have him back on when we get back on the investing blueprint, and I'd like to hear his thoughts on XRP as well.
Yeah, definitely more knowledgeable than myself, so it'd be good to get PJ back on.
Yeah.
Great, and just have a quick look at the S&P.
So I haven't prepped it. So it'll just be, let's see, should have been, oh wow, we opened up higher, considerably higher today. Didn't even know that. So where are we at? Okay, so moving higher. I don't know if there's some news overnight or what, but we finished on Friday here. Opened up here, came back to close the gap, and now we're up again. I do wonder sometimes, like, if everybody was buying on Friday, or maybe the Asian markets bought this overnight, but you can see the strength overnight. Let's see, I have there's a previous close. Here we go. All right, I'm just gonna put this here just so that I can see exactly how far we've moved. There we go, from here. Yeah, so we practically opened up here over last night, came back, double bottomed, I guess you could call it, and then took off again. So interesting to see what happens today. Asian range, if we just eyeball it, would be something like that. Oh yeah, we're still in it. Yeah, still in it. So yeah, I mean, looks like a bit of a we could maybe see some potential running up higher in the pre-market. Still early days, but you don't usually see the price considerably higher at 6:47 GMT. So I'm just gonna keep an eye on this one this morning, Andrew.
Yeah, what potentially while looking to catch the retrace, go short potentially on the.
I'll go long. I will go long. I will go long here. If we do continue to chug high, I would follow this trend here. Yeah, and if we zoom out a bit, let me just see where we are in relation to. All right, here we go. So moved higher from Friday. We still have sort of these levels that we could head up to. So that's what I would be targeting, something like here, and maybe today looking at here.
Right.
That's my thoughts here.
Yeah, I'll keep an eye on that for later. So yeah, I'll put that on the watch list now. So we got gold moving up, so I think we're gonna hit the stop on that futures trade. So glad it was only the one contract, and yeah, we could be setting up for a buy. Yeah, around 8 a.m. We'll be off stream by then, but I'll update on that. I do have some news to share with you.
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, so as you know, like the two of us are doing a challenge with the Fivers, and yeah, they sponsored this morning show, and they've just won the Prop Firm Award for 2024. So best prop firm of the year goes to the Fivers. So congratulations, well done.
Congratulations, Fivers, well done.
Yeah, so with regards to Forex, I think they are one of my preferred choice for sure. They've been in the game best part of 8 years or maybe longer, and we do see regular payouts. And I remember when we had the Scruffy trader on, yeah, he was trading with them as well. So yeah, that's really good news for them. Let's see if Top Step and get the best futures prop firm. That'd be good news as well. But yeah, with this trade, we're about 50% into a stop. So we did have the breaker structure here, and we failed to break below the Asian lows. We're actually pushing up at the moment, so I can see this going in to my stop. So yeah, here we are. So yeah, it'll be quite interesting to watch this trade. And what am I looking to trade today? So potentially a gold long later on in the day. Yeah, probably see that within the next hour to 90 minutes, I think. And yeah, I'm just gonna let this trade run. I won't take another trade using the Asian low this morning. I'll wait for that buy confirmation, which it seems to be setting up for. And that's it for myself. That's what I'm up to. So yeah, potentially I'm looking to catch this buy, and we could see the price pull back up to these two VWAP levels. And that's it. So it's back to it, back to work, load of meetings today. Just get back into the swing of things.
Your party's over. Summer's over.
Party is over.
Yeah.
Travel was quiet over the Christmas period, but it's going to pick up today. So I'm going to have a busy week. So I can't wait. But and as I say, the price is pushing up. We're going to price a push back down. So this trade will be quite interesting. And we'll be back tomorrow morning at 6:30. We'll run through some charts, run through the news. And 1 second, I wanted to quickly show you what I've been up to. Okay, so so I always use a demo account as like the master account. Copy trading on Forex. So I've got this copying over to the Fivers, and it took me a while. Took me a while to get my head back around MT4 because I've been on TradingView for a while, and we started off quite well. So we started on December the 30th, and we're up 6.76% at the moment with the 1% drawdown. So quite happy with how it's going. And we took some trades. Where's that by? I haven't used this for so long. Right, let's have a quick look. You know what? I want to show the trades history. There we are. So you can see the trades we've taken here. So we've had three winners. We had one loss. So we're doing okay.
Oh, that's brilliant. That's amazing.
So we're getting back into it slowly.
Yeah, I think that's such a great idea as well to keep track of everything.
It's a different strategy on the Forex, but I will adopt that to the futures. It's just that it's probability as well. So you could hit some losses in the day and get the winners in the Asian session, and they can't be on TradingView 24/7 as much as I'd like to be. There's not enough coffee about, but we'll see. We might get a buy on the futures today. And what I'll do is I'll increase that contract size up to 2 to cover this loss if we take it. So that's it for myself. That's what I've been up to. I will give you an update in the morning, and I'll see you tomorrow.
That sounds good, Andrew. Have a great day today, and great show. Thank you.
Thanks very much. I'll see you soon.
Okay, bye-bye.
Today's show is sponsored by thefivers.com, better funding for traders. Get qualified by a private equity fund and manage up to $4 million. So you can choose your funding journey. So you can start with the one-step program, which is hyper growth, 2-step program, which is the high stakes, and the low-cost program, which is the boot camp. So pop over to thefivers.com. Please use our affiliate link for 5% off, and it's a great way to start your prop firm journey. Next to ourselves, it's TradeZella.com, the only tool you need to become profitable. So you've got powerful and automated trade journaling. You can analyze your trading stats. You can gain some key insights. You can leverage up to 50 plus reports to monitor your progress. You can ask yourself a question after a week or two: do you have a profitable strategy? So you can go through your win rates, your profit factor, how many trades you actually missed. And you can even take it one step further. You can backtest, replay to help you improve. So pop over to TradeZella.com, use the discount code SFX25 for a 10% discount. And finally then, it's stxforex.com, the all-in-one complete trading package. Perfectly crafted trading program that meets all the needs of traders. So from Forex, futures, options and more, STS Forex provides mentorship and trading systems to suit every trader. So we got the all-in-one package there with this morning's sponsor. So thanks very much to thefivers.com, TradeZella.com and STSForex.com.